Thank you for calling Bank of America. Enter the 16-digit number of your business checking account, followed by your 4-digit ATM debit card PIN. For your available checking account balance, press 1. To check pending deposit. Thank you. Please hold while we access your account. Your available account balance is $43,636,983.81. A pending deposit in amount of $1,983,732.24 will be available on Tuesday. To repeat your account balance, press 1. Your available account balance is $43,636,983.81. To check your savings account balance, press 3. Your available savings account balance is $436,325.44. To repeat your balance, press 3. To speak to a live representative, press 4. Please hold while we transfer you to a live representative. We are experiencing high call volumes. Please hold. Your expected wait time is 16 minutes. Press 1 to stay in line, or have us call you back when a representative becomes available. To end this call, press 7. Thank you for banking at Bank of America.